Hi, Bizzy here. Love, be light, believe. I'm going to begin by cleansing the energy. I have decided to do some astrological readings for the collective. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. Some of the messages I have may or may not apply. We're going to begin by pulling an astrological sign. So this reading may apply to you more if you have Aquarius in your charts. Aquarius, we're going straight to the fairy deck for these Aquarians. It's been quite a, I don't know what the word would be, eclectic. All right, we got the 9 of Autumn. Reward yourself for all your hard work, being happily and successfully self-employed, cherishing your time alone. All right, and then we have the 6 of Winter. Positive changes are on the way, a welcome relief from troubled times, traveling and relocating. So it seems that Aquarius, seems that you're on the move. Seems that maybe some opportunities are coming in and some positive things are about to happen for you. So that's pretty awesome. Let's pull. Oh, I was going for one deck, but this popped out from the Surrender deck. Surrender to prayer. Give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard throughout the universe, and answers and support will arrive. This is really important, Aquarius, to turn off all the outside stuff, all the noise, all your technology, people, whatever you got to do to find a quiet spot at least once a day, preferably more than that. It doesn't have to be long, but it's more about you having a routine and taking the time out to regroup, because the prayer will help you get back into your present moment and not be so up in the air. Let's pull an Empath card for Aquarius. Honor your inner child. Focus on your inner child's needs. Is your inner child afraid or in need of more playtime? Cherish this precious being within you. So this kind of goes along with the prayer. If you can simplify things from a child's perspective and focus on the joyful things, maybe it will be a little bit more smooth, this transition that you're going through. Because as you're going through this transition into the new positive world of opportunity, you still got to make sure that you're tending to the needs of all parts of you, including your inner child. All right, we have number 7, the Chariot. An important achievement, self-discipline and willpower, public recognition. So maybe you've been working hard and it feels like no one sees you, but you're being seen. 6 of Fire. Victory, good news that's on its way. Public recognition or rewards. Look, these cards came out together. they're basically saying the same thing. They both say public recognition. So somehow, Aquarius, whatever it is that you're working on is going to be rewarded. Let's pick from the Grunge deck. We've got number 1 of Pentacles. Like that, that's neat. There's like a record player. There's a coin and a key on here. And then we have number 18, the moon. They're hanging out on a roof. And then we have the King of Swords and his throne. So, Aquarius, what I'm seeing here, is that maybe sometimes you feel like no one's paying attention to what you're working on, or that you have an intention to be helpful in some way. Even though you feel that way, there are actually others out there. What I'm seeing on this moon card, like it's like you're the moon shining, and you're being noticed, but you're so shiny that you can't see. You can't see. Let's go to a spirit animal deck. Ooh, we got 56, Spider Spirit. Make your dreams come true. You can do it. You've already worked so hard to get to how far you are now. It's really not that much farther along. You're almost there. See if there's anything here from the Psychic Tarot deck for our Aquarians. Here it is again. It's like all over this reading. Triumphant success. Success. It's everywhere. Crown chakra. Whoops, my hand. Crown chakra. Number 7. This means you are so tuned in. You're tuned in. Maybe you're tuned in a little bit too much to this. This is number 3, heartache and loss. Maybe tuning, you're reflecting on so much stuff, and you're stuck and you're reflecting. That it's hard for you to actually see your own success. So it's kind of like you put your own blinders on, and you need to just take them off. And you're the only one that can do it. Here we also have the number 6, the third eye chakra card. So, and these are both his higher chakras. So maybe there's some meditation needed to calm your nerves a little. And maybe it help you see a little clearer, because you're completely blind to how much you're actually like succeeding. So, Aquarius, don't be so hard on yourself. Go do a meditation. You'll feel better. Hope you have a great day. Be loved, be light, believe.